Okay, so today we're going to practice comparing fractions with unlike denominators. They're unlike, and we need them to match each other. So we're going to need to make equivalent fractions with these so that we can compare them, right? We can't compare fourths to ninths. We need to make sure that that bottom number is matching. But this is tricky because we can't multiply 4 by anything to get to 9. We can't multiply 9 by anything to get to 4. So we're going to do what's called a common denominator. And this is where you're going to use your multiplication chart to list all of the multiples of 4 and then all of the multiples of 9. So do this with me. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 28. 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 times 9 is 36. Those are all the multiples of 4. So that means that if we want to make an equivalent fraction, we can multiply top and bottom by 2, and we can get it into eighths. We can multiply top and bottom by 3, and we can get it to twelfths. We can multiply top and bottom by 4 and get it to sixteenths. Okay? So now we need to see what are the nines. How can we change our 9 by multiplying top and bottom? If we multiply top and bottom by 1, that's obviously 9. Multiply top and bottom. If we multiply 9 by 2, that's 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. See, Miss Gebby checking my multiplication chart. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. And 9 times 9 is 81. That's from our multiplication chart. Okay, so we can convert our fraction to any one of these, right? If we multiply this by 2, we can convert it to 18ths, to 27ths, to 36. Let's see, so we need a matching one. We need to see where we have a matching denominator or a matching multiple so that we can multiply top and bottom to get that number. I see 36 is our matching number. Circle that with me. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn our 2/4 into 36. We're going to turn our 5/9 into 36. Okay, how do we do that? How do we get from 4 to 36? What did we do? We multiplied by 9. Now, to make an equivalent fraction, we need to do both top and bottom, right? Okay, 2 times 9 is 18. 18/36, that's the same as 2/4. Okay, now 9 to 36, we multiplied by 4, top and bottom by 4. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20, 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, so these are our new fractions. It's the same size, right? But if we were to draw this out, these would be the same size as this, but it's equivalent because we're chopping it into smaller pieces, right? Okay, so 2/4, instead of writing 2/4, we're going to write 18/36 and 20/36. Okay, which one's bigger? Clearly, 20 is bigger than 18, so 20/36 is bigger. All right, let's do the second one. Okay, 4/7 and 5/6. That's hard. I don't know which one's bigger. That would be hard for me to know unless I was looking at a fraction bar. And then I could do the line down the fraction bar, but we're not going to do that. We have to do math for this. Okay, so here we go. We're going to list them all. 7 times 1 is 7. We're going to practice our multiplication chart, and you need your chart for this. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 28. 35, 40, 2, right? 49. 54. Is that correct? No. Sorry. That's not correct. 56, Miss Gabby. I hope that, okay, maybe you're looking at yours and I'm not looking at mine. 56, 63. Okay. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, right? Yes. Okay. All right. Where do we have a matching one? Take a look. Do we have a matching one? I see a matching one. Do you see it? I see 42 and 42. Okay, so we're making our new denominator. We're gonna this needs to become, we're gonna turn sevenths into 42nds. We're gonna turn 6 into 42nds. Okay, what did we multiply sevenths by to get to 42nds? 7 times 6. Okay, top and bottom. 6 to 42nds, 7, 7. Okay, 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, these are our new fractions. 24 42nds, 35 42nds. Which one's bigger? Bunk, bunk. 35 is bigger than, 35 is bigger than 42. There you go, everyone. Let's see if you can do the next pages on your own.